Welcome, dear friends. Let us start the second session on problems on fundamental concepts and definitions in 18ME33. You are discussing the first unit. In the last class, we have taken the first problem. Today, we'll take up one more problem in today's session. I'll read out the problem. Two Celsius thermometers A and B agree at ice point and steam point, and the related equation is Ta is equal to 1 plus mTb plus NTb square, where L, M and N are constants. When both the thermometers immerse in a fluid, A reads 26 while B reads 25. Determine the reading of A when B reads 37.4 degree Celsius. So in this problem, what he has given is there are two thermometers A and B, and these two thermometers, when they are immersed in ice and steam, you can see here ice point and steam point, when both are immersed in ice and steam, both agree at these two temperatures, and the relation between these two thermometers are Ta is equal to 1 plus mTb plus NTb square. And what he has done is later he has given the comparison. When A reads 25 degrees centigrade, B reads, when A reads 26 degrees centigrade, B reads 25 degree centigrade. So when B is 25 degrees centigrade, A is 26 degrees centigrade. So now we need to determine the value of A when B is 37.4 degree centigrade. So let us write the things what are given in the problem and we will continue further. So he has given us the governing equation first, that is the governing equation is given by Ta is equal to L plus mTb plus NTb square. This is the governing equation what we have. Then when A is 26 degrees centigrade, B is 25 degree centigrade. This is given in the problem. Now what we need to do is we need to determine the reading of A when B reads 37 degree centigrade. So when TB is equal to 37.4 degree centigrade, what is the value of TA? This is what we need to find out from the problem. So when B is 37.4 degree centigrade, what is the value of A? This is what we need to determine. So let us take this governing equation and substitute the boundary conditions what are given in the problem. That is, we know ice point and steam point, along with one more condition, that is when TB is equal to 25 degree centigrade, TA is 26 degree centigrade, because there are three unknowns L, M and N. So let me write out the first condition, that is when TA is equal to 26 degree centigrade, TB is 25 degree centigrade. So when TA is equal to 26 degree centigrade, TB is 25 degree centigrade. This I am going to substitute in the governing equation, that is TA is equal to L plus mTb plus NTb square. In this equation I will substitute. So what do I get? 26 will be equal to L plus M as it is, TB is 25 plus N as it is, N into 25 square. This is equation number 2. So what do I have now? I have 1, 2, 3 unknowns. So the second condition what I know from the problem is both agree at ice point and steam point, that is at ice point T is equal to 0 degree centigrade. So at ice point T is 0. So when T is 0 at ice point, straight away I can substitute this value and solve. So what do I get? 0 will be equal to Ta is also 0, Tb also is 0. This we need to know. That is, both the temperatures are 0. So 0 will be equal to L plus 0 plus 0. So therefore, I will get the value of L as L will be equal to 0. This is what I have found out. That is, from the equation, when T is equal to 0 degree centigrade, when I substitute this in the governing equation, let me show again the governing equation. Ta is equal to L plus mTb plus NTb square. If I substitute the value of T is equal to 0, that is, both the temperatures Ta is 0 and Tb is also 0. Again I am writing the values here. That is, Ta also is 0 and Tb also is 0. So when I substitute that value, so I get the answer as L will be equal to 0. Now let me take the second condition, that is at steam point. At steam point, that is T is equal to 100 degree centigrade. So both the temperatures are 100 degree centigrade. So Ta is equal to 100, Tb is equal to 100. So I will get the answer as 100 will be equal to L plus 100 m plus 100 square n. This is at steam point. So I can write this as equation number 3. Equation 1, 2 and 3. Because equation 2 I have not written, because directly I will get the value of L is equal to 0. So equation 3, that is, L is known to us, L is 0. That is, if I substitute the value in this equation, I will get 100 will be equal to 100 m plus 100 square n. So 100 is common, so I will write 1 will be equal to m plus 100 n. This is equation 4. And one more equation what I have got is, that is from equation 2, I can write it as 26 will be equal to 25 m plus 25 square, that is 625 n. So from these two equations, if I solve, what do I get? So I will get 25. So if I multiply 25 to the above equation, that is, I will write the equation once again. 26 will be equal to 25 m plus 625 n. So equation 4, what I am doing? For this equation 4, I am multiplying with 25. So I have written the above equation, that is 26 is equal to 25 m plus 625 n as it is. Then for this equation 4, I am multiplying with 25. So what do I get? 25 will be equal to 25 m plus, right, 2500 n. So subtract this, what do I will get? I will get the answer as 1 will be equal to minus 1875 n. So therefore n will be equal to minus 5.33 into 10 to the power minus 4. This is a value of n. Then once I get the value of n, let me take the above equation, that is equation 4. From equation 4 I can write the value for n, that is, again I am writing equation 4, 1 will be equal to m plus 100 n. So in this equation I will substitute the value of n. That is 1 will be equal to m plus 100 into bracket minus 5.33 into 10 to the power minus 4. So if I substitute the value, right, I will get the answer as m minus 1 will be equal to m minus 0.0533. So upon solving, the other term will go on the other side. So I will get m will be equal to 1.0533. So now I got the value of m, I have got the value of n, right? So now what I can do is, n is known to me, n is 0, and m, n and l are known to me. So now I will substitute in the equation and find out the value of Ta when Tb is 37.4 degree centigrade. So let me write the equation again. That is Ta is equal to L plus m Tb plus n Tb square. This is the governing equation, I know, and I have got the value of L as 0, n is minus 5.33 into 10 to the power minus 4, and m just now I have calculated, it is 1.0533. So now to this governing equation, at Tb is equal to 37.4 degree centigrade. At this value, what is the value of Ta? So Ta will be equal to L is 0 plus m is 1.0533 into Tb is 37.4 plus n is minus 5.33 into 10 to the power minus 4 into n is 37.4 square. So 37.4 square is the value of Tb. N is minus 5.33 into 10 to the power minus 4. So I have substituted these values in the equation. So calculate, you will get the answer as 38.52 degree Celsius is the value of Ta when Tb is 37.4, Tb is 37.4, Ta is 38.52. So let me repeat what all I have done in the problem once again. So let me take out the sheets. So 2 Celsius thermometers are given, A and B, and governing equation is Ta is equal to 1 plus mTb plus nTb square, and both are agreeing at ice point and steam point, and he has given us the temperatures, that is when A reads 26 degree centigrade, B reads 25 degree centigrade. I need to find out the value of A when B is 37.4 degree centigrade. So let me write the equation, governing equation, given things. Then the first equation, when Ta is 26 degree centigrade, Tb is 25, I am substituting in the equation, I will get equation 1. Then the second is at ice point, both are agreeing at ice point, that is Ta and Tb is 0, I will get the value of L. Once you fetch the value of L, next find out m and n. So I will take, next is the steam point. At steam point, Ta is equal to Tb is 100. So when I put this value right in the equation, governing equation, and when I solve this governing equation, I will get the value of n as minus 5.33 into 10 to the power minus 4. Then if I take the equation 4 once again, right, in this equation 4, if I substitute the value, I will get the value for m, that is 1.0533. Upon getting the value of m and n and L equal to 0, right, I will put that value in the governing equation, or I will substitute the value in the governing equation. When I substitute the value in the governing equation, I will get the value for Ta as 38.52 52 degree Celsius. Thank you. We'll take up few more problems in the next class.